Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your earnings from Fiverr, complete guide step by step clearly. To recover your earnings from Fiverr, start by logging into your Fiverr account. Navigate to the selling section from your dashboard. Select earnings to view your account overview. Identify the pending clearance period on your earnings. Recognize that earnings are available for withdrawal only after the clearance time is complete. If you wish to withdraw your earnings, go to the Withdraw Funds section. Choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options. Methods include PayPal, bank transfer, or Fiverr Revenue Card. Make sure your withdrawal method is properly linked to your account. Follow the prompts to complete the withdrawal process. After submitting your request, monitor the status in your account. If you encounter issues or delays, contact Fiverr support for assistance. Provide any necessary information about your account and the specific issue. Keep a record of your communications with support for reference. Fiverr typically responds within a few business days. Once your issue is resolved, you will receive confirmation. After confirmation, check your account for the deposit of your withdrawn funds. In case of continuous issues, consider escalating your concern within the support channels. Always ensure that your earnings are gathered as soon as they are available. Stay updated on Fiverr's policies regarding withdrawals and earnings. Maintain consistent communication with Fiverr for any future concerns. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.